Hello, we're going to demonstrate how quick and easy it is to engineer walls with the Logix 1-Minute Engineer. With insulated concrete forms, engineering refers to the placement of reinforcement bar within the wall cavity to give the wall the added strength it needs to support the loads that the wall is supporting. So, how much steel do we put into the walls? How much vertical reinforcement bar? How much horizontal reinforcement bar? And where should it go? That's engineering, and that's what the Logix 1-Minute Engineer will do for you. So let's go back to the Logix 1-Minute Engineer. We're on logixicf.com right now. The Logix 1-Minute Engineer can be accessed from the top nav bar, and we're right now on it. I'm going to pick USA, and when you pick the USA, you have to choose your rebar grade, and we're going to choose 60 KSI because that is the most popular reinforcement bar grade. Now, we're going to be engineering walls, so I'm just going to put here test, and let's start with the low grade walls. All right, first of all, the notes pop up, and it basically gives you the building parameters that the engineering is going to be valid for. For instance, the building can be maximum 80 feet by 40 feet long and wide, maximum. Maximum roof clear span 40 feet, maximum floor clear span 32 feet. Number of stories, you're limited to 2 stories above grade plus a basement. If your home falls within these parameters, you are good to go with the Logix 1-Minute Engineer. First thing we want to do is select the Logix wall size. And we click here, and these are the options. We're going to click 8-inch wide concrete forms for the basement. Let's say for this example, we're going to have 9-foot high basement walls. Let's say we're going to have a backfill height of 6 feet. So we'll have 3 feet at the top of the wall that will be above grade and visible. Equivalent soil density. We have to pick a soil density. So let's, for the purposes of this exercise, pick 45. Now, for guidance on this, you can always refer to Bulletin 6.3, which I'm just showing you right now. And this is the Logix guidelines for soil classifications. And there you can see that you'll get guidelines as to how to pick the max equivalent fluid density of your soils. Back to the Logix 1-Minute Engineer. We have to assume what type of wall is going to be above grade. And we can pick either framed or Logix ICF. So let's pick Logix ICF, and wall location, this is the basement. Hit a button, and there's the reinforcement bar. The 1-Minute Engineer actually refers you to the exact page and section of the engineering documents within the Logix design manual that this engineering is derived from. So you can quickly reference the Logix design manual. However, it's given us a horizontal rebar of number 4 bar every 32 inches on center, and a vertical rebar of number 4 bar every 48 inches on center. So that is basically all we need for our engineering for our below grade walls. Now, if we wanted to print out a report that we wanted to send to our building officials, we could just hit download, report downloads, we open it. And here's a proper illustrated engineering report for your below grade walls that you can provide to your building official or download for your files. So that's your below grade walls. Let's say we want to now go to our above grade walls. Select the Logix wall size and concrete core thickness. So let's say for the top, for the main floor of this ranch bungalow, and we'll assume it's a ranch bungalow, we'll say it's our 6 1/4 inch wall thickness. Wall height, let's say we've got 10-foot high walls. And will this wall support roof only? Well, we have choices of more than 2 stories, 2-story Logix ICF plus roof, 2-story wood frame plus roof, but we've just determined that this is going to be a ranch bungalow, so it's roof only. Now we have to enter the location, and let's pick, for instance, Texas. And you'll see that we have to enter wind load, but wind load's automatically calculated for you by the 1 minute engineer. For instance, had I selected Virginia, you'll note that the wind load will have changed to 60. But let's go back to Texas, where we are. Wall type below lets us assume that it is a below grade wall below, and enter wall location in 4. Once again, we hit preview. Here is our reinforcement bar for our above grade walls. It is a number 4 bar every 32 inches on center, again horizontal, and the vertical bar number 4 every 32 inches on center. And once again, it refers to the page of the Logix design manual where this engineering is derived from. If you want to print out a report, you can easily do so, just as we did with the low grade walls. Pop it out. And there is your engineering for your above grade walls. So that's the 1 minute. That's engineering walls with the Logix 1 minute estimate, 1 minute engineer. And Logix is the ICF Solutions company, and we help you to build anything better. Thank you.